Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I literally just woke up, and today is Valentine's Day, yay! So today I'm going to go on a picnic and then I'll probably go to a cafe to chill, and maybe I'll have plans for dinner or maybe not, I'm not sure, but I'll bring you guys with me, so let's go. Ta-da! This is my salad. There's cucumber, tomatoes, and also romaine lettuce. I'll be dipping it with sesame sauce. Ta-da! The fruit bowl is done. So I have pears, bananas, green apple, and oranges. And this is my egg sandwich. Guys, I also made nuggets, but I forgot to put the oil, so the skin came off and it's okay. So right now I'm done with the food. I'm going to prepare and get ready. Hi guys, I'm finally done getting ready and now I'm in the car on the way to Pradana Botanical Garden to picnic. I'm finally in Pradana Botanical Garden. It's my first time here and I'm finding for a place which is not so sunny so I can set my picnic mat. Look at that! I thought I wanted to sit here, but then that thing, look. I finally found a place under the tree so it's not that sunny. Ta-da! I finished setting up the picnic table. We have coconut water, crackers, dippings, sandwich, nuts, salad, fruit, and nuggets. Wow!
I was eating and I finally saw a group of I don't even know what is this. It's like so many and it's flying around and it's so near us. And I'm eating here. Oh my god guys, it's here. Did you just throw a nugget?
Hi guys, I'm done with picnic and I'm going to take photos because it looks so cloudy suddenly.
Look, it suddenly looks so cloudy like it's gonna rain.
Guys, I'm taking pictures for my Instagram and it started raining. So now I'm walking really fast to the car. I didn't take the pictures yet. Guys, just now when I was in Sunway Putra Mall doing groceries and the concierge gave me this. It's a lollipop and a fake rose. It's so cute though. Thank you, Sunway Putra Mall. I'm finally here, guys. Guys, I got a refund. I'm in Lot 10 Japanese food court and I'm picking a beef now to let the person cook and then I'll be eating here. This is my dinner. We got steak, kimchi, and some lotus root. Taste test. Look at this, guys. It looks so juicy. Ta-da! Second round. Guys, I just came out from lot 10 and there are so many people like standing over there. And I'm wondering like what happened. So look at this. You scan the QR code and then you write a message. And then the message will be showed here. It's so cute. But there are so many people. It's so jammed outside of Pavilion and like it's not even moving. Hi guys, so I'm finally back home and it's been a really long day but a really fun and exciting day, I would say. I got drenched in rain, my hair got soaked, my makeup came off and stuff like that, but it was a really fun day nevertheless, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you guys next week. Bye.